Belling the cat. Meow. A long time ago, there were three mice that lived in a big house. They had an enemy, Pat the cat. The Pat the cat was a watchful cat. She watched the house so closely that the three little mouse could hardly go out from the small hole. They could not look for tasty food to eat. So First Mouse called for a meeting to solve the problem. "We need to fool Pat the cat," said First Mouse. "Yes, or we will be so hungry. We will die," agreed Second Mouse. "What should we do to fool Pat?" The mice were silent for a while, thinking. Suddenly, Third Mouse shouted, "Oh, I know how! We can put a bell on Pat's collar. When Pat walks, the bell will ring. We will know where she is," answered the third mouse. "Then we know when to hide and when to go out." "But who will bell the cat?" asked Second Mouse. "Not I," said the first mouse. "If not you, then who?" asked Third Mouse, looking at Second Mouse. Not I," said Second Mouse. "If not you, then who?" asked Third Mouse. "You!" chorused First Mouse and Second Mouse. "Not I," answered Third Mouse. So the three mice had a brilliant idea to solve the problem, but not one of them could do it.